Welcome to Lights Camera Build. My name is Emma, and today we are going to be building the chicken farm from Minecraft. Let's build. Okay, you guys, so that finished the chicken farm. Yeah, chicken farm. And as you can see, I put my chicken on there. You can actually pull his tongue. I was wondering why it wasn't sticking. You pull his tongue and little stuff like falls into there. And then if you pull his tail feathers, the egg is supposed to drop out into there. So I thought that's really neat. The wings move on our chicken. We can open our little gates. So it's a really cool build. And then we got our little fox, our little Minecraft fox we did, our little Minecraft chicken, and our little Minecraft chicken with the creeper on him. And then our little, I guess this is our little villager person that's going around and doing all this stuff. And he's got his little farm. Until next time, you guys, remember to hit that like and subscribe and ring that bell.